Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back home. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, subscribe, like, share and leave a sweet comment. On today's video is a special video guys. I finally landed in Kenya, and as all Kenyans, thank you so much for welcoming me, and for every place who are watching, every person who is watching this video, thank you so much for following up. We are back in Africa, we are back in the motherland right here, but I'm so much sorry. Why am I sorry? Please kindly watch this video till to the end, and also pay much attention. I'll tell you why am I sorry. So the thing is guys, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers, and very much happy to be around here. As you see, still we are on our package right here, and yeah, I'm not alone. I don't know where I can start, you know. Okay guys, hey, what's up?
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Long time.
Welcome back to Kenya, Nairobi.
Thank you so much.
This is Irene Soita.
Yes.
You may wonder how I moved here. It was an emergency to come and pick this boss of mine.
Emergency. Actually, she calls me boss. I don't know why. Why do you call me boss? Don't. I'm not yet a boss. Yeah, guys. Actually, she's our house manager. She takes good care of our places or the Airbnb. So when we pay a visit over there, and also, guys, if you wanna pay a visit in Nyabuhansa and you are like, oh, you are stranded, where will I stay? We have Airbnbs. Kindly reach out to the numbers that are at the description down below, and you'll be able to ask any question regarding the staycation in Nyabuhansa. You'll be here to be answered. So guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at
Irene Soita.
Irene Soita.
We are on road to success.
Road to success. I miss Ugadi now and Jutmal. You know Jutmal?
Yeah, this man.
Mrenda. I can give you a secret. Okay. And also we have another one here. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, let's see this way, this side. Hey, the lighting is nice. Introduce yourself here.
My name's Askola.
Yes.
I'm Mama Nani.
Oh.
But in my channel,
yes.
Scotch One.
Scotch One.
Yeah, no, Scotch Travels.
Oh, Scotch Travels.
Yes.
Guys, please subscribe to Scotch Travels. She's a very nice mom over here. She welcomed us, and there's a secret that I'll tell you. But if you watch this video till the end, you'll know why. You'll know really why. So please subscribe to Scotch Traveler. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for welcoming us and for hosting us and for everything.
Always.
Be blessed always.
Yeah, always.
This family, guys, please help me say thank you by subscribing to her YouTube channel. Do you have your channel here?
Yeah, I want to check.
Oh, check it, and guys, yeah. Let's see here. Ooh, Scotch World Travels. Scotch World Travels. Right here, guys. Please, she's starting, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and road to success.
Thank you.
I'll be happy to see you in my place in Nyabuhansa.
Definitely.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for visiting.
Yeah, and of course, guys, I'm not also alone. I'm with a business partner, friend, hubby. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Hey, lady, look guys at her. At what? Can't I say what? You look beautiful. Can't I say you look beautiful?
Thank you.
Thank you. You look the zebra.
You don't have zebras?
Yeah.
Zebras.
Guys, actually, let me give you one secret. Is the secret if I'm telling you I'm sorry. It's like I'm sorry I'm not going back to the to my village now. The thing is, I wanna take good care of Minhawi over here. Can you say babes? You say Habibi. You say Habibi. Actually, can you come to Nairobi, Habib?
Well, thank you so much, Habib.
Introduce yourself here.
Okay, well, guys, my name is Minhawi, M-I-N space H-A-W-I. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh, welcome to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. I forget.
Already you have taken the possession.
Over your channel.
Yes.
So welcome to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. We are here. We are headed somewhere. He's telling me he's taking me to my dream destination,
yes.
or it's going to, in Kenya. That is to surprise me.
Yeah.
So I'm eager and anxious to know where is he taking me and what plan does he have for me. You know, he was like, no, we cannot go to the village right now. Let's go somewhere in
in Monrovia. Actually, guys,
take you somewhere in Monrovia.
Yeah.
Okay, not Monrovia. I'm not so sure where.
Yeah.
I'm not certain where, but we are going somewhere. So let's go there, guys, and we are joined here. My house manager could not contain not seeing Claude Joseph.
Eh,
had
she was
to-
like, no, I have
she
to
came
arrive.
overnight
It was
to
like,
come and cook for him
Yeah,
mrenda.
but
Can you imagine?
I'm
She
sorry I
came-
never showed you the jute marrow,
she came,
guys.
she came
Yeah.
with her own mrenda.
Yeah, actually.
Hey.
And,
From
all,
Yokohama.
and this was
And it's
our
amazing.
amazing host over
Yeah.
here. Actually, you can say like how can we say? How can we say about her?
About you, me too.
Yeah, yeah.
This one is my mom.
Oh, wow.
She's my mom, my
Yeah.
second
Yeah,
mom.
yeah.
Yeah, she's my everything. She's the one who introduced me to Claude,
Yeah.
to Marwa, to Minihawi, and everyone in Yabohanze.
Yeah.
I knew just me only, but she's your ardent fan.
Why did you choose Claude and Minhawi instead of? There are so many people YouTubers in
I
there.
used to love your content. I used to, everything that you are doing, I used to love. So I told them, that I like what he's doing,
Yes.
and he looks like a good person with a good heart.
Yeah.
True to my word,
Yeah.
he's a good
You
person,
only
right?
go where the smile is.
subscribe.
Wow, thank you so much for that.
So
Actually,
Danny.
yeah, our Uber has arrived. Let's go. We can't just go this way. Yeah, our Uber has arrived, guys. We are actually going to another destination, and please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Squash World Travels, and also to Irene Soita, and also.
This is Nairobi.
This is Nairobi, guys. Welcome to Nairobi. Yeah, this is what introduces you to Nairobi. Yeah. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Aye.
Aki munisaidie.
Thank you. We will be
Thank you
here,
so much.
actually. Thank you.
I'm happy to have met you. Oh my God.
It's a pleasure.
My prayer answered.
Yes,
Oh,
go.
these are your
Yeah,
oranges.
these are my oranges. Actually, Gasiva, she gave us oranges.
enjoy.
Some days we'll be with you. We'll go to see the system
Please,
of this.
go see the farm.
Actually.
You'll enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Sawa. Safe
Okay.
journey.
Yeah.
And enjoy yourself.
Thank you. I mean,
Kuna kitu machi nile.
hapana ni bag. Where? Irene, help me, my dear. It's so heavy.
And the fruits were there.
Are they already? They are the first thing to go in the car.
Enjoy the fruit.
Thank you.
Thank you so much again.
Wow,
God
wow.
bless you guys. Prayer answered.
Thank you.
Thank you, Claude.
Thank you so much.
Take care of yourself. Okay?
Thank you. See you soon, okay? Bye. Bye. Yeah. Guys, let's see.
Unajua huyo ndiye ameleta hizo vitu.
Yeah, guys, so we are here. We actually boarded our Uber and we're having a very nice trip here. Actually, you know, if I could have gone back to the village, actually, this is like her traumatizing her feelings or traumatizing her emotions, because actually you knew what happened on the other times, and actually because of what happened, you know, sometimes you need to take her back until things goes over, to relax her mind until things goes on well. I'm sorry that I never made it direct to the village, and but hopefully we go back to the village there as soon as possible. And also there's some things we want to set back in where we are heading, so please pay much attention, subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this.
Well,
Hey.
first of all, I'm
Hey.
so afraid. I'm afraid of even going to the airport. Can you believe, like, it was so, like, just going there, just looking at it. Even the hotel that I was staying at was just, I don't even want to go there because I felt so sad. Like, it scares me just even to go to the airport because of the two terrible experiences, you know. But all in all, guys, we are heading somewhere. It's a surprise for me. I don't know where exactly, but it's a location in Kenya for sure. So guys, let's go together. We're headed to the SGR, right?
Yeah.
You're heading to the SGR. So let's wait and see. Kenya is such a huge country, so I never know where we'll drop off. So let's go. We are in Mlolongo, to be specific. We went to see some of our friends. Irene, my house manager, was also in Nairobi. She came to see us and say hi to us because she has missed us, and also see some of her friends from sometimes back. Yeah, so we are grateful for this opportunity.
Actually, it was like a coincidence, because she told us the one who connected her with us, she was really eager to see us. So once she heard that we are in Nairobi, she was like, I can come, welcome to my home, you can enjoy food, you can, and thank you so much for the family that hosted us, prepared
And
food
eaten
for us.
mrenda
And
and
yeah,
nyama
I
and
ate very nice. So guys, let's go and we see how everything is. Pay much attention. See you there. All right. Hey,
Okay.
Madam Boss.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, there's bags in here.
Have this over here. Oh, Madam Boss.
There's another bag from the other side.
Yeah, put this down here. This can be here. Let it not tire you.
Go get the other bag. Okay.
We are the travelers.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hebu kwanza.
Tungeweka hizi ni
Ngoja.
ngapi? Let me show you.
Nipati huyu moja.
No, let me show you. Like we could. Utatumiss. Hiya, Baba. Hiya. Hey, that is being a boss lady. Help me push this. Hey, I want to record them when you're going for a vacation. Practice for going for a vacation. Hey.
For a vacation, what do you tell me?
Hey, guys, look at this. Look at this boss lady. She's going for a vacation. Look at the man. Hey. Just going for a little vacation over here, guys, for her. To just reduce the trauma of the trauma. You know, sometimes things are crazy on the other end, guys.
Yeah.
So you might see somebody just laughing, talking to you, and you think she's okay or he's okay. You don't know what is the inner.
Yeah.
Because I was once in such a situation where
right?
things was happening in the other side when I was once in Uganda, and I was acting nice, but inside me it was eating me. So
it was killing you.
yeah, it reduced my body, it reduced my ability of thinking.
Okay.
Like I was seeing, like I hate everybody around me. So it was like, oh my god, it wasn't something like easy. So I can understand it. People might be seeing you laughing.
Thank you.
But the inner, you're reducing. What is happening with the mid Howie?
Okay.
What is happening?
Okay.
Let's go. Hey.
Can I have a minute? To
Yes.
What?
Hey, traveler. How are you, traveler?
Yeah. I'm okay.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
What makes you happy?
I'm going on a vacation. Vacation to relax, unwind, and thank God for the good life and good friends, good business partners, good everything.
Good everything.
Yes.
For everything nice.
Yep.
Wow. It's great. Are you happy for me being back in Kenya?
I'm so happy for you being back in Kenya.
Really?
It's like a breath of fresh air.
A breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
Hey, me, I'm very, very happy. Why am I happy? It's because, guys, I've been missing home, and now we are home.
We are home.
Okay. And this is home. We are the travelers.
Okay.
Let's go get our ticket. And this is where we're going to get our tickets, guys. And things are moving to the other side, on the other end. Yeah. So I think my bag got some dents some days back, and things should be really great. All right, guys, let's head our ticket. I'll show you. Another one, right? Yeah, this is one.
The first one.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah,
Okay, so we are all already, guys. So we already have our tickets over here. Now let's see how everything is going to be around here. Let's go see what's going on around. We are actually in our train station over here in Kenya, Africa. It's called the SGR. I think it might be the same as that one for Tanzania, but the difference of ours, yes. Yes. Salama sana.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
But this one's not allowed.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
but it's only me. I'm not showing around. It's showing my face.
You are
It's,
taking the
it's like I said for my
taking the
own.
video.
Yeah, it's on my
It's
own.
not allowed.
it's not allowed.
Only the photo.
Oh,
Only
photos.
photos.
Okay, thank you. I'm around here, guys. I'm in the SGR around here, and this is how it looks like. Guys, this is our terminal here, our bus. Not our bus, but our train, Nairobi terminus. And we are here with Minhawi over there. That's Nairobi terminus. And let's see. Take me a picture here and we'll see. Yes. Yeah, guys, this is how you see how things are around. And we are actually in Kenya, our country. And let's move on. Wow, it's like Dubai now. See, that's Minhai over there. Okay, guys. Let's see. Hey, things are moving on nicely. Let's see. Alright, guys. Let's see what we can have around here. Have a seat. Guys, we are in this area. We are in the waiting launch of this area, and we are waiting here. Are we the first people around?
No, a lot of them are there. We just seated here because I think I don't think the train is full today, and also we are early. Remember?
Yeah,
so
we are early.
Could mean that it's gonna take time. Like people, like lots and more people are coming.
Hey, are you happy traveling with me around?
Yeah, I'm so happy. Very happy. Happy.
Yeah, that's like me forcing you to laugh.
Not at all. Like I'm happy. Traveling, it's like back in the old days. In the old days, it's like back in the old days, like old months. Is it months or days? Days ago when we used to travel together to South Africa. And it was nice.
What was your challenges traveling with the Cloud? Maybe any challenge you have
No,
faced
I
traveling with the
didn't
Cloud?
experience. The only difference was you're walking very fast and leaving me behind.
I guess.
But I understood because that's how you are. You're used to moving fast. Me, I don't like rushing, so hence I come back very early. And I come early so that I keep time. Like today we are very early, like we are 1.5 hours earlier, so that anything that's needed, we follow protocol, we go through everything peacefully,
Hey guys, with her, if you're traveling with her, she walks like slowly.
I walk like a tortoise.
Have you ever seen how a duck walks?
I don't do that, guys.
She walks slowly.
I don't do
But
that.
as time, we just have a road trip for a few days. We can see how maybe you can get the how do you say, the motive.
Motivation.
The motive, not the motivation, but the motive itself to move around. Now you'll be like, oh, this is how it's supposed to be. People sometimes run in the airports. Not only that they are late.
I think one day
You look sleepy. What's
I
happened?
think one girl go to the airport. What happened?
Hey, what's happened? You look sleepy.
No, it's because what? What I did.
I have to bring you cinnamon and also maybe dawa tea so that you can keep awake. Hey. I'm still wanted to tell you, what is this?
This is honey. I ordered for this, so I want to eat this.
To eat hand?
I'll eat it.
No, there's dawa coming.
This dawa coming.
Hot mojito dawa.
Add mojito dawa.
Mojito.
Yeah.
Actually, when sometimes you keep quiet and feel like, oh, what is happening with you? When I see you thinking like...
I'm normally a deep thinker, if you noticed.
But now, with me...
You can be talking to me, and I'm not even listening.
Paying attention like...
I'm paying attention to something else inside my brain, so that's who I am. That's what I am. Yeah, so...
But now?
Now?
Are you happy to dip yourself inside the hot water?
I don't think I'm going to swim.
Why?
Because I'm not a swimmer.
You're not a swimmer.
And I don't like water.
Eh.
Yeah, it's the last time we were in South Africa.
And
you saw
actually,
the water in South Africa, how it was called?
Because of Atlantic Ocean, because the cold monsoon winds circulating around.
It's too cold. It was
Too cold. But now we are going there. We want to see how things will be moving on around, and things will be great. All right?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yes, we are here, and we want to see. Are you ready for this?
Yes. Dawati. I am ready.
Mojito dawat.
Mojito dawati.
Mojito.
Mojito dawati.
Actually, I was feeling something here. So.
Yeah, you've been saying that you have a sore throat or something like that.
Yeah.
So I think this will be good for you.
Okay, let me help you.
Okay,
let me help you put this, okay?
Okay, boss.
And its sugar is this one.
It's honey.
Actually, is this even a vacation or a honeymoon? Now this is the honeymoon.
That's the honeymoon.
Now this is the honey tea now.
There's a spoon there, you can use it.
I miss bread and honey.
Oh.
At our Airbnb. Bread and honey. Now guys, this is honeymoon now.
That's honeymoon.
This is honeymoon. We went for honeymoon. If you think honeymoon is
Stop
only going
misleading
to
your audience.
if only you think you are going to Miami for honeymoon. Hey, now this is honeymoon now.
Okay.
We are in honeymoon now.
Enjoy your honeymoon.
We are having. Can I lick this?
Yes, you can.
Like inside. Yeah, I'll be seeing like. Is it ours?
No, it's the other train coming. Other guys coming out, coming from the other train.
Oh, okay.
So we should be next in the next like 30 minutes.
The next 30 minutes, right?
I think so.
Let me help you, okay? Can I make yours?
Thank you. I'll be grateful. Thank you.
Okay. Oh.
So guys,
But
this is our beautiful lounge. Very busy. And that is
Mami, Maja K is calling me. Mami,
Maja K.
nimekuja na manyoka. Kanyoka choma. Niko SGR. Ndaya Mombasa, mami. Bamore. Maja KE.
Yes.
Jipe shout out Maja KE. Jipe shout out, tuko live.
Oh, yeah, guys, how are you? This is Maja_KE. Yes.
Okay, Maja KE. Wacha nimalize kidogo na kupigia Maja KE. Nimekuletea kanyoka choma.
Aya, mami.
Aya, mami.
Sikasiweka kanyoka.
Aya. Yes, that is Maja KE. He called me when I'm preparing mojito. You know, now I'll treat you like until you go back to your normal. You know, so when I was sick in South Africa, the way you treated me.
Yes.
Oh my God, I can't forget that.
You can't forget it?
I'm seeing your goals. You're not even concentrating.
No. Oh my God.
Yeah, okay. We are not even concentrating.
Guys, this guy is crazy. Oh my God.
Okay.
What plane? Why? What have you seen? What was it?
What? You say what?
What was I doing?
I don't know. I'm not quite sure what you are doing. But me, I was trying to prepare honey here.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Let me take my dawa tea.
Try it.
And now the guy behind the camera is crazy.
Try it. We see.
Thank you.
Guys, this tea.
It's hot.
Yeah, you can use the blend.
A spoon.
Yeah, this tea actually, guys, it's made of ginger, garlic, a lot of stuff. It's like a concoction, and its sugar is honey, pure honey. All right, let me know if you have ever tried this. Give me some recommendation. All right, see you. How does it taste?
Very nice.
Oh.
Sour ginger like, sweet like, garlic like, and it's just a lot of, I think, ingredients.
Okay.
Natural ingredients.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, try it now.
Thank you.
I'm here back. You won't suffer. Suffering what?
Suffering has ended.
The suffer has.
With your arrival.
Suffering has ended.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming back for me.
Let's see, guys.
Yeah. So let's take our dawa tea. See you in a bit.
Okay. Guys, our luggage.
Hurry your bag.
Are your fingers not sick?
No, it's nothing is locked. Everything is fine.
The life of travelers. It's like I'm carrying a whole truck of sand.
Whole truck of sand. Okay. Okay, do you have your ticket?
Why not? Then we can have
Where did you
this.
put it?
It's on my wallet.
And your tea, your dawa tea.
I can't forget it. I want you to carry it. Actually, mine is light a little bit, guys, so don't worry. Hey.
Wow, that's
You
heavy.
have shown people everything outside. I swear. You have
Not
shown
everything.
You have shown people Nyabu hands. Not to show people Nyabu hands. As if they don't have their own Nyabu hands.
They don't have their own neighbor hands. They need to also know about other neighbor hands.
Other
their
Nyabu hands.
villages.
Other villages. Yeah.
This is my village.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I put this back here? Let me just put my tickets.
Yeah. Okay, let's have our tickets, guys. Oh, I don't have the ticket. Oh, it's here.
So let me place this here.
Aye.
Oh,
You want to put even a spoon? Leave the spoon then.
okay.
Yeah. And just have this way, and we can move on. Let me see, guys. Actually, I'm multitasking. Let's go board. Can I help you push the other one? You okay? Hey, come on. Let me make you a cloth. This side. I told you are showing people in your bohansa. You said no. Okay. Okay, let's move on the other side, guys. And we wanna see how things moving. This is the SGR. Let's go to another place and we wanna see how everything is on this other end. Wow. You know, actually, you're the one. Let me see. Are you there, Mojito? Hey, you still think you are the only travelers around here? Look how people travel here, guys. Is that your phone? No, it's not your phone. Let's move this. And we wanna see. Okay, guys, we are here. Hey, Nairobi. This is it, guys. Let me know the difference between. Do you know the difference between Tanzanian SGR and Kenyan SGR?
The Tanzanian one is electric.
You say what?
The Tanzanian one is an electric SGR.
And the Kenyan one is?
Jesus fuel.
My God. Guys, actually we have this one we call, like, in Tanzania we have the one which is recently launched. It's called the SGR, electric SGR.
Does it connect to Kenya?
Yeah. No, let me see. Where is it? Here. Oh, no. Here is 7. This side. This side. Coach Tachini. This side. Yo. Now we are going for business. Hey. We are going for business now. Business travel. Let's go see, guys, what kind of business is around here. Hello. How are you? Yeah. So also Tanzania has an SGR, but ours uses diesel. Tanzania is electric. So let's see if they can afford a bit of electricity.
Who's saying it's electric?
Yeah, it's electric. Tanzania is electric. Ours is a diesel.
Okay.
So okay, guys, we are here, and the Chinese riding them. You know, let's head around and see how everything is. Coach Tachin over there. It's very, very far. Guys, this is how you see around. This is our standard gauge. Yes, what does SGR means?
Standard gauge railway.
What?
Standard gauge railway.
See? And yeah, so I'm with Minhawi. Hey, Minhawi, you want to push even further of this side? You are now a real traveler.
Now
The real world travel.
we have to go. So nice.
I know you are tired.
Why do you think I'm tired?
Because of the walk. Up and down, you have
I was
bags.
expecting you to be up there.
Where?
Because you walk faster than me. Why are you slowing down?
Because of you, I have to go to the same feather. I have to be like
Same
the
pace.
bird of the same feathers.
You have to go at the same pace.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. But one thing I'm surprised with, it's us with we as Kenyans or as Africans with our train stations compared to the outside people with their train stations. Like here you couldn't see anything else. It's like you're going deep down in the hole, deep in the tunnels, then you find yourself up in the wall, again down, and then now you see yourself on the other side. But here, if you are from up down, you're already done.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, let me know in the comment section, guys, if you have ever used this.
Yeah.
It's like
It looks like it's not even full. So
it's not even full much. Yeah. People like to travel at night.
And then
Obviously.
it's on a weekday, so
Yeah,
probably.
Yeah. Alright guys, let's go to transit. Let's go on this other end. This is how the train looks like around. Let's go and see how it looks like. Let's head on the other end and we see. So guys, we are around here and we are here. Hey, a girl Toto.
A girl Toto.
How are you, a girl Toto?
A girl baby.
A girl baby. Are you okay?
I'm
You're
okay.
sweating. Can I give you my wipes?
Do you have them?
Hey, like a good boy. Like a good boy, can I like wipes? Can I give you wipes?
I'll be joining gym classes
Soon.
very soon.
Why? Hey, you're sweating. And you're not even yet in Nairobi.
I'm Mombasa.
In Mombasa.
I know.
Let's see, guys. Hey. Life treatment actually in Tuarua. Actually, guys, hey, I'm so much happy to be back home. And, things are very great and amazing. And that's Minhawi. Nice.
But I was dusty.
The neck here,
Yeah.
on this side,
I was a bit dusty.
on this side also.
Okay. Thank you. Now it's less dust.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your mojito.
Mojito. Okay.
Alright, guys. See you soon. As the train is moving. Which one is it?
Guys, kindly subscribe, watch his videos to the end. He's an amazing person, he's an amazing content creator who needs your support back to back. Like, we're gonna be giving you content back to back. We're gonna be traveling around. So guys, stay tuned. It's not going to be just the normal vlogs that you normally see. It's gonna be something different, something more fire. Okay, more fire. Okay, so walk with us, journey with us to Mombasa. And I don't know, he wants to take me somewhere. So surprise.
I'm not a rich dude, but I'm trying as much as I can to just make you feel comfortable.
Thank you so much for caring. Thank you so much for coming around when I was a bit down. So, but most people never really know, but never really believe that I can be down for some reason.
Yeah, because
My
even people are like,
personality.
I know, you know, you can't even.
I saw people saying that I'm not going, I'm faking it, but then now, I think it's because of who I am. Most people may not understand.
Leave away the reactors.
Not even the reactors, like people are questioning even on the comment section. Like, hey, were you even going, or were you making just, it was just something?
How can you fake the tickets? How?
Tickets.
You go even into the airport. How? They can't allow you in the check-in.
You cannot check in. You cannot just get in
before showing the plane.
before showing your passport and your ticket. You know, and then you can, you know. But anyway, all in all, we're grateful.
When you do good, they still say. When you do bad,
They still say.
So
wait to
leave
go.
it for them. Let them see.
Yeah. So how am I looking today?
Look nice and beautiful. It's complimenting.
Do you remember this?
Yeah, business
This business.
ring.
And guys, should I show them this?
Show them what is wrong.
This guy has been surprising me with a lot of things. So let me make this well, then I show you.
You know when I would
Read this. I think they can be able to read this.
hey, Faith and CJ.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, actually, when I
He
was
brought me this gift from Malaysia.
from Malaysia.
Yeah, so I don't know. He's trying to keep the business partnership.
Can I bring the other luggages
I
here?
think so.
Okay, let me go bring them.
Yeah.
At Roy Station, the due arrival time at Roy is 6:38 p.m. The due arrival time at Mombasa
She's laughing,
terminal
guys.
is 8:30 p.m. Thank you and
We're
enjoy
heading.
the
We
journey.
are going, guys. Our train is leaving slowly by slowly.
We are leaving exactly.
We are lifting, and the Chinese are out there ready to collect their debts.
Exactly what?
And here is me. Yeah, so guys, let's journey together. I hope you're going to see the elephants and the wild animals. I'll be able to show you that. Oh,
Here is where?
this is not my channel.
Here is where?
Here is where?
Where is here?
Here is this here.
Here is where?
Yeah, so guys, let's go
Yes.
and wish us a safe journey.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright, guys. Let's see what's going on around. And we'll see where is here. Here is where.
Yeah.
We are leaving beautiful Nairobi city. Now let's go and see what's going on around on the other end. Okay. Bye bye Nairobi. Bye. Connecting nations. How many hours did it take?
5.
5 hours?
Almost 5 hours.
5 hours from one city to another city.
Yeah.
Hey,
Indicated with a blue sticker. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you
Guys. Thank you. Yeah, in Kenya we are using. This is not electric, but it looks like electric. But we are using. It's called diesel one. Tanzanians have diesel one, no electric one, and this is how you see. Let me know if for those who saw the launching, and I think we can go and do a launching. It will be in May.
Which launch?
The launch of officially launching of it will be officially launch of Tanzanians SGR.
Are we Tanzanians?
No,
Or
we
we are
can
just going to.
we go to create content. Yeah.
Or where would it be happening?
Even we can start from Arusha. We can go and see.
Oh, like you're saying we travel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You want to travel?
I thought you're saying like we go straight just to maybe from Mombasa we go and launch the SGR.
SGR.
So will it be connected to this one of ours?
No, I don't think so.
Or it's just within
But
the
they're
country?
working on it, but I don't think so.
I wish you can have one from Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, you know, so that you don't have to use a lot of money when traveling the road.
Hey, your nails look nice.
Huh?
Hey.
My nails look nice.
No wonder you're talking as you're showing people.
No, like I normally, no, the only thing is when I talk normally with my hands, without the nails you don't notice. So when I apply something on them, you notice.
You notice, eh?
Someone also told me it's because now I have this, now I'm flashing my hands all the time.
Yeah, because you know, tell them it's diamond.
Is it diamond? It is diamond.
Let me not risk your fingers because somebody can go away with your finger.
I know.
Alright guys, let's see how everything is and wish us a safe journey. Cross fingers for hours here as we are traveling, as we always bring you amazing content around here from Africa and also from different destinations that we travel to. Yeah, we are gaining experiences, and as we have this experience, we are not selfish to share with you. We do unselfish, so we do what we call like we share with you through the world or through what we call like the power of lens.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, go with us.
I can't wait to take you to Malaysia some days.
Malaysia, oh my god! But I remember the way you were saying the food. You are used to you missed ugali. The way you used ugali.
That is an experience, you know. You have to go there and experience.
I'm not complaining. I'm just saying I will miss ugali. I love to eat ugali so much the last days of before going to Malaysia.
Okay.
Yeah. So and eat and carry some.
Maybe you can carry kiporo, the sleeping food in the bag.
No,
You go with
it's
it
the
there.
flour that I can carry.
But you not have some cooking
The
sticks.
Airbnb, you get Airbnb.
They don't have.
They have those, the ones used like spoons. You can use that to cook. Yeah.
Hey, you're so innovative. Alright guys, let's see what's going on around here.
Yeah.
As we have a chit chat with me and Harry. Not
Yeah.
close it.
The sun is too much.
The sun is too much. You can move yourself to this side.
No, I want to be here, but it's okay.
This is not even sun. Tell me to people hot. Alright guys, see you in a bit. As we show you amazing.
See you.
Amazing. Right. The two Muscatis. And also soon we'll go and also include Burundian traveler here. So it'll be maybe 3 of us traveling around.
Yeah.
What do you think guys?
Hey,
After he has finished constructing.
that's a big combo.
Yeah. A very strong combo.
Fire strong
And
combo.
anyone, and also you know me, I'm planning. Some days we wanna have a van. We drive
A
us
tour van?
Yeah, as content creators from Kenya, Uganda up to South Africa. We wanna have a tour. That's my dream. We travel together as content creators. And
If you get that van, you can walk towards it. By the way,
Alright,
you
yes.
can save towards.
Let's
the
know if
van.
it's a good idea.
I think it's a good idea.
Okay.
Like the one, you know, the lady called Goe Badia from Nigeria, the one who's in Kenya,
Yeah.
the one who was staying in his van, in the van.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, it's nice. See you. I wanna sleep. Oh. Good night.
Good night.
Wow.
They are.
Look at the giraffes, guys.
Oh,
Oh no, I don't know if you are. This is a national park, right?
yeah.
It's Nairobi National Park, and actually Kenya is the only country with a city which has a national park in the city, in the middle of the city, right? Yeah, this is a national
That
park.
was so fast.
Wow.
I thought like it was still going to take time.
Oh no.
So very soon you're going to see elephants here.
Yeah, very soon guys, you'll be able to see wild animals over here.
Yeah.
No wonder. No wonder when I travel to different countries, when I tell them I'm from Africa, what comes in their mind first is animals, wild animals. You come from the, you see lion?
You stay with lions?
Stay with lion?
You fight them in the morning before you go to school? Have you ever killed a lion?
You see now. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you?
I know.
Okay guys, now this is it. You'll
Let's
be able
go.
to move around here.
Beautiful Mama Africa.
Yeah. Amazing.
Amazing.
Beautifully.
Beautiful.
Wonderfully. Wonderfully. Yeah.
Do you know who says Vitagataga?
My grandma. Bibi, I miss her. I think when I go from maybe from our, let me say, from the destination that we are going to, from there back to the village, we can go and yeah, actually do some great thing to our grandma. You know.
Yeah. Okay. Miss you, baby.
I miss her. I miss Bibi.
Baby.
Bibi.
Yeah, even
See you soon,
even the
Bibi.
police post has been
It's
covered
just-
with a wire mesh and electric mesh.
Yeah. Inside here.
Yeah.
It's amazing and great. Ooh. Thrilling journey. Traveling never stops. Wow, look at the view. This is an industrial area, right?
River.
At river. Oh, this is at river.
Yeah, there's a river.
Okay. Oh, so there's
We were just almost here. When we went to Irene's place. We were almost here.
Okay.
It's just up there.
So this is the river called Athi.
This is at the river.
At the river.
It expands as it goes.
Okay.
We were just somewhere up there for
Oh.
lunch.
No wonder how SGR viewpoint. Okay. There's the other side. Wow. This is Nairobi, Kenya, guys. It's Kenya for
Machakos, Kenya.
oh, Machakos, Kenya.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
Machakos, Kenya.
Machakos County.
Yeah, Machakos County.
Okay. How many counties do you have in Kenya?
47.
47 counties. Okay.
8 provinces
8 provinces and 1 country.
in one country.
Okay.
And 43 tribes.
43 or 44?
43.
44 tribes. There's a new one. Cloud language. Cloud lingua. Look at the views, guys. I love these trees. I think when we buy land some days, we can plant these trees actually. You know why?
Yeah, they're so nice. They're so
They're
pretty.
so nice. Yeah.
This requires that you have like a big land.
Yeah. Not even like a big
And
land.
you'll set aside it just for it to be natural, you know. Like that part, you just leave it like that.
Like that. Yeah.
Yeah, like if it's like maybe a piece of, even if it's 100 by 100, that it has only those trees.
Trees, different species of
Yeah,
trees.
yeah.
But me, I love these trees.
Indigenous. These are indigenous
they're
trees.
indigenous trees.
Yeah.
They are very, very nice.
They normally find in semi-arid places, and Machakos is a semi-arid county. You see with the sun,
It's very
it's very dry. So it's very rare for it to be fertile. It's not that fertile, but the trees grow so well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And over there is Kenya Meat Commission, guys. The meat that is imported to
Your countries.
your countries, maybe even Malaysia. Yeah. This is where it comes from. Cut above the rest.
Guys, so this guy's been sleeping for more than 2 hours now. This is somewhere in the SGR heading to Mombasa. Yeah, so it's so bright outside. The train speed right now is 109 kilometers per hour, and of course we are passing through the wilderness, the jungle. So in this place you can be able to see lions sometimes, elephants sometimes, most times giraffes most times, and how do you call them, warthogs. I've seen, I think there's a time I saw a warthog. Yeah, so it's quite a beautiful journey. It's quite peaceful, and today for some reason we don't have a lot of people in the train, very few. It's not as full as it normally is over the weekends, because we chose to travel on a weekday, so which is a bit less hectic. So I'm so grateful for this guy here for always trying to see the best in me, support me in whichever way that he can. He's always there. Oh, have you done this? Have you done that? You know, we need to be somewhere. We say, actually, guys, we've set some goals of how we want to grow, where we want to be, you know, as business partners. So, amongst many reasons, we are going to Mombasa, so to see how we can grow ourselves and develop ourselves as well as we travel around the world and move across the world. So I'm so grateful for him, even if he's sleeping. I don't know if he's listening to this, for being such a support system, for always showing up when, like, even when I don't, he doesn't have to, you know. I'm so grateful for that, you know. And I truly do wish that we have a beautiful relationship as we grow, pure friendship, pure, like, just good honest relationship as we grow. And I hope that God will bless us, you know, that God will see us through to where we want to be. We have set goals, we have strategies to implement, we have things to do, you know. And I'm hoping that you guys support us, book our Airbnbs when you want to, when you have to, even if it's for a day, for a second, and for a day, for 2 days, for 3 days. Just call me or call him. We have our contact details in our description boxes. Just reach out. And also, there's another Airbnb in Mombasa. If you're watching this and you're from Kenya, you want to support me, and or even if you're somewhere else, you want to support a YouTuber who maybe you'd want a YouTuber to travel to Mombasa, just reach out to me, because I have an Airbnb in Mombasa, so that we can, you know, support me as well, you know. Yeah. So guys, let's go to Mombasa. What's the time right now? Outside it is 33 degrees Celsius, and the time right now is 17:16. That's 5:16 p.m. Okay, so see you in a bit in Mombasa or not. I don't know what time I'll take this camera. Maybe if he wakes up, he'll be able to talk to you guys. But for now, let's go. Let's travel. I hope I'm looking good, because it's too hot out here, guys. It's very hot. I had to shut my curtain. The curtain is like this, so I have to draw it like this so that it's not so hot. So you have to can open it like this or close it like this. Yeah. So let's go. See you in a bit.
Travel east and Cebu West with the East Village. The server hosts the big 5 animals that include the lion, elephant, buffalo, leopards, and rhino. It is also home to several bird species like the kingfisher, huron, heron, and hornbill. Other attractions of the site include the Yatta Plateau, Mzima Springs, Aruba Dam, Lookout Falls, and Mdanda Rock.
Which is southeast and southwest? Which is southeast and southwest?
I don't know. I know there's a southeast and southwest, but I don't know which parks they are.
Yeah, it's the west.
No, that's east, west. I think it's divided by the road.
This is east. No, this is west, and this is east on this other side. Yeah, so guys, we are in Tsavo National Park, and Tsavo National Park is the second.
Animals.
Yeah, hopefully we'll see them here, like a lion and zebras and a lot of animals, because it is the second largest, I think the second largest, and also the oldest, we can say, animal conservation park, you know, or wildlife, because the biggest, as you see. So hopefully, if we are lucky, we'll be able to see animals. If not, then we'll continue our journey. All right. Are you enjoying the journey?
Oh yeah, I am. I've slept a bit.
Hey, the sun's kissing.
Sun kiss.
See the sun kiss. Hey, you look nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Guys, it's raining outside, and that's the sun over there. It's setting, you know. And we have a kid over there singing happy birthday, happy birthday. The kid singing happy birthday. Is it your birthday?
No, it's my birthday.
It's your birthday.
November 30th.
Okay. I thought it was your birthday.
No, November 30th.
I had the kid singing for you.
I want a car. November 30th this year.
A car?
Yeah.
Okay, but really, as a business partner, we will. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Only a car. Only.
A small one.
Only.
Yeah.
A Pasio. Vitz.
A Paso.
All
Just a
Vitz.
Paso. That's a Paso, like something around. How much is 1 million Kenyan shillings?
$10,000.
$10,000.
Okay. Deal done. Okay guys, that's really how the sunset is, and it's really raining outside, as you see. Oh my god, it's raining. dogs and cats. And the journey still continues. We are cruising through the Savo, actually
National Park.
National Park. If we say like today we stop here for a night,
We'll
be meat for animals, for Simba the lion.
Yeah,
and
they need
things.
the man eaters.
The man eaters around here.
I remember the story of the man eaters.
Was it happening around here?
And when the building of the railway.
The railways, yeah. History, that was one of the most prominent answers. If you put that, they were affected due to the man eaters
Of Kenya, yeah.
Wait, that's a very big tick up to your home.
Yeah.
And a good. Yeah, it was a good historian actually.
Yeah.
Let's to score A's in history.
Look at that, he's thinking that also what I think we need to go when you go to Mombasa, we should go do that right.
Surfing?
Surfing.
Okay.
Can we do that?
Yeah, no worry. Or
I
speeding.
won't be swimming, but I'll be surfing. Is
You
it
must
surfing?
swim.
Guys, you know why I don't swim? Is it this thing that I swim?
Swimming.
I don't even have a swimming costume.
You'll have to swim. Don't worry, I'm here.
You'll do what?
I'm your costume.
So,
I'm your costume. Beautiful Mama Africa. Africa. Hey, hey. Wow. I remember that song used to be like one of my favorites, and it used to make me sleep. If that song sing, you're already in the bed. Sunset actually in Africa. An eye. You can create an eye. Hey, what's up? Where are you?
almost in we are in Voi.
We are in Voi.
Yeah.
Wanna have something here?
I wanna have something.
You wanna have something here, guys, and you wanna see what's going on around.
The time so that I can show you. Yeah, we are in Voi.
We are in Voi. And guys, look, actually, I think still this is one of the biggest, I can say. Like, it's even not one of the biggest, but it's the biggest. Historically, it's rich and it's the biggest.
You know, like in South Africa, we have just mountains like this.
Yeah, in South Africa, yeah, one of the biggest. And we wanna see what's going on around, and things are moving on. Very, very nice. Hey, enjoying the sit down and
Yeah,
just
at least
travel.
it hasn't been that hot. Like other days, it's been a bit cold. So likely, Mombasa could be a bit cold.
Right now, right?
Chances are it could be like not so hot, and that's the weather I like. Because the last time I was in Mombasa, I started my channel, my career around this time, March. So
Okay.
I think I'll also be going to celebrate my 1 year anniversary since I started YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's in March around this time.
Okay.
It's March 7th or something. Or
Wow,
8th.
amazing. Oh, milk tea. I'll
Milk
tea
tea.
the milk.
Can I serve you?
Yes, I've made it. Big girl. A sweet. A girl toto. Serve.
And ongeza sukari.
She's cooking for me inside here, guys. You know you're cooking.
Thank you.
You're cooking for me here now. Cook.
Thank you. Na hot dogs. Azika tena? Mbona uko serious?
Yes, guys, that's how you see. Hey, I thought you could have cooked in the 3G Coston. Now you're cooking in the bus. You're cooking in the train.
I know, right?
Okay. You need the number? And you know in Kenya it's cash.
What's your free bill?
No, it's already not. Here's the tracking. Already?
Till, the till.
No, it shall leave.
Oh, maybe
Actually, the time here is 6 or 33 minutes past 6. And we are really enjoying our tea here. It's cold outside. It has been raining.
raining outside.
Having some hot dogs,
Hot dogs, yeah.
or duff dogs. I don't know, guys. You know, sometimes you teach me.
You're the one from the village.
Very far away. After I conquered the world, I pray to Almighty God for this grace.
Yeah.
And How is it?
It's nice.
Okay. I had to close it this way to keep the warm.
No, just drink it like this because now you're not in a hurry to go anywhere.
No, I just do this.
It will be too hot.
Yeah, to keep it hot. These cups. I want to feel rich when drinking with
This
this.
doesn't signify very well.
No, I want to feel rich.
Richness?
You know, I used to see these things with people.
Do you know how much this is?
I don't know.
5 bob.
Oh,
This cup.
but it makes somebody feel rich.
No, it doesn't. It's just a takeaway.
You just walk with this in the streets of Nyabohansi and
It
you
is
say,
$0.05.
hey, but me, you know, small things makes me feel good.
Okay.
Wow, it's sweet. Nice. Eat, girl, eat, girl. I know when I was away with the stress,
I was struggling.
food was like bitter herbs in you.
No, stop.
I know. Food was like bitter herbs.
It's now we used to eat.
Where? Yeah.
Maybe the one when they come at the airport.
Hey.
You see that I've added weight.
Yeah, but I'm surprised.
That?
When you just when everything happened and you were like,
Can I help you?
yeah, help me. Of course, that's why I'm with you around. Hey, it was that easy.
If you just
And I've been-
hold it and then pull it.
And I was struggling like a village one. Hey, okay guys, let's see. Guys, we just arrived over here and we are literally on this other end. And we want to see what's going on around on this other side. I'm so much happy and so much excited to be in this area. I'm back in Mombasa. I don't know how the temperature is outside, but we'll see how things are around here, and we want to see what the good and the bad on the other end. So let's wait and see. Okay, Anisha, welcome to Mombasa. Yes, we are around. Things are moving on out, so we're carrying our luggages over here. We are squeezing them out. Is it that heavy? Yes?
It's heavy.
Very heavy? You tired? Okay. Let's be moving on the other end, guys. It seems that we have just vacated out from the village completely to this other end. People are tired over here of sitting for 5 hours. Let's see how everything is. Let me see the outside. The other side of Mombasa. Just came for a short trip. Then we want to see how everything is around. Wow, the temperature here. Mombasa itself. It's really on its zone. It's warm and it's kind of hot. Are you sad?
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, I think I want to end this video here because now when we'll be heading on the other side, it will be really very congested, and it's at night. Actually, we arrived here at night, and I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much for being around here, and thank you Minhawi, and also please guys subscribe to our YouTube channel at
Minhawi. Can you check me out? Subscribe, road to 10,000 subscribers currently. Yeah.
Ooh. How was the experience? Because we have been using this.
No, the SGR.
Yeah. Yes.
I like it. I prefer it compared to using the road. I'd rather take this 150% time. Yeah, so I prefer this compared to the road, and it's faster and it's safer.
Okay.
Yeah, so you are 99% sure of getting to your destination every time for this.
And in terms of accidents, actually, it's very rare
Never,
for
I've
this.
never had.
Yeah.
So unlike the roads where we normally get like a lot of accidents all the time, it's easier, it's convenient, and they are very disciplined. That's what I like about that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Guys, let's see how everything is around here. When I'm having a severe headache, I don't know, it's because of sleep and whatever, or changes of climate and conditions over here and there. So I want to show you a little bit of the other side, then we'll be ending the video. All right. When I see these tunnels, actually they remind me of Malaysia. Tunnels here and there, every place, and the warmth actually is very hot around here. You know, they'll be giving themselves the best treat, the travelers of the world. The other end.